our messages kung natatandaan ninyo ang question for the day ko last week. Last Friday was, tumaba ba ako? Hindi. So medyo kinakabahan akong basahin ang ating mga text for today, okay? Umpisa natin kay Sheila Joy. Yeah, tumaba ka ng konti. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, excuse me for a while I draw myself, okay? Tumaba ka. Okay, thanks. But, still look sexy and pretty. Sino man? Hi to all BJs and Nicks, my friends, Adik Nex, Jane Diocaris, Jesper Navarro, and all my classmates in Prince Technology, especially computer programming too. Thanks, Nix. More power. Love ya. This is Sheila Joy Gadayan of Pampanga. Sheila Joy, maraming salamat for your honesty. From Yin Tibayan. Hi, VJ Nikki. Sa tingin ko, hindi ka naman tumaba. Wow. Naghilo lang yung chan mo ng konting-konti. Guys, di nyo na itatanong, yung chan ko, may sarili ng manager to. Okay? Meron sa sariling RM, meron sa sariling call time. Okay? Minsan na call time ko 11, yung chan ko late pa dadating. Or minsan nauna yung chan ko, okay? Ganun na siya it has a life of its own that I cannot control. Bakit si Kuya Billy naman pumayat? Hindi mo ba siya pinakain nung bakasyon? Pero ikaw pa rin ang pinakamagaling sumayaw. Paki-greet naman lahat ng Nixers and Nillies. Thanks. Maraming salamat sa iyong honesty na magaling akong sumayaw. I know. Thank you. And you'll be reading batch 2 later on. Okay, so dalawa na nagsasabi na tumaba ako. Okay, good. That's very nice. Anyway, here's Liwanag by Callie, which goes down to number 6.